Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in NX software. The base dimension is 200 by 125, height is 50 mm. Select new, select model units millimeter. If you want you can change the name here. I will save my desktop. Okay. Select extrude, select the plane, select rectangle, select center rectangle, 125, enter 200. Finish sketch, extrude up to 50 mm. Okay. Next there is one more flange, that height is 35 mm, R 35, and one more circle dia 40. Select this surface, select extrude, select this surface, select circle, create dia 70 circle. Height is 35 mm, this is also 35. Select line, create one more line, select trim, trim the unwanted lines. Select circle, create dia 40 circle. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch, extrude up to 50 mm, reverse the direction. Here select unite. Okay. Next there is a 30 mm rib. Here go to more, select rib, select this surface, select line, create one line, give the dimension here to here 70. Finish sketch. So here both sides symmetric is there, we required only one side. Reverse this 30 mm. Okay. Next there is a cutout, center of the part 40 mm cutout. Select extrude, select this plane, select line, give the dimension, mm. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Here select subtract, select here symmetric, give 20 mm. Okay. Next here also one cutout is there. Select extrude, select this surface. The cutout dimension is 75 and height 25. From the side also 25 mm. Select rectangle, select here by 2 points rectangle. Height is 25, this is 75. This is also 75. 25 sir. Okay, finish sketch. So here select subtract, reverse the direction. So here we can select until selected, select this surface, click OK. So that's it friends. So you can verify all the features are completed. So next assign the material, go to menu, here go tools, in the tools material, assign material, assign the material here, which material you want. I will go with aluminum. Okay. Next we can change the color here. Select edit, object display, select the entire body. Okay, select this color. So you can assign which color you want. Click OK. So which color you want to assign. So that's the today's session friends. I hope you like this session, and also once again requesting everyone to please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Thanks for watching this session friends.